In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an image in HubSpot. We'll walk through accessing your email, opening the image editor, and making quick adjustments like size, alignment, corner radius, and even swapping the image, all inside HubSpot's email tool. Start by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account. Once you're in, decide which image you want to update. In this example, we'll edit an image that lives in an email. This approach is perfect when you want changes to apply right where the image appears in your campaign. Next, look to the left sidebar and hover to reveal the main navigation. Find Marketing, then click Email. This takes you to your email list, where you can see drafts and previously sent emails. Pick the email that contains the image you want to change, and click Edit to open it in the email editor. Inside the editor, move your mouse over the specific image you want to adjust. You'll see an overlay appear with icons. Click the pencil icon to edit that image block. On the right-hand panel, choose the Content section. This is where you control the fundamentals of the image itself, like size. Here, you can change the width and height. Make small adjustments and keep an eye on how it looks in the preview. To avoid distortion, try to keep the proportions consistent. If you significantly change one dimension, match the other to maintain the original look. For emails, it's smart to think mobile first. Oversized images can push content down and slow load times, so aim for reasonable dimensions. Now switch to the Styles section. This is all about how the image sits in your layout. You can adjust alignment to left, center, or right to match your design or text flow. You can also set the corner radius. Increasing the radius will round the image's corners, which can soften the look or help it match a modern, card-like design. Subtle adjustments often look more professional than extreme rounding, unless a rounded style is part of your brand. If you decide the image needs to be replaced altogether, that's easy too. Hover over the image again and click Replace. This opens your file manager so you can browse your existing assets or recently uploaded images. Choose the one you want by clicking it, and it will drop right into the email in the same position. That's all there is to it. You've located your email, open the image editor, adjusted size and style, and replace the image when needed, all within HubSpot.